Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the blue screen error, "Critical process died" in Windows 11. There are several ways to fix this problem, and the method you'll use depends on whether you can still access Windows or not. Let's get started. Method 1. Access recovery mode from Windows. If you can still log into Windows, open the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings app. On the left side, click Windows Update. Scroll down and select Advanced Options. Now scroll down and click Recovery. Next to Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Click Restart Now again to confirm. Your computer will restart and boot into the Windows recovery environment. Method 2. Access recovery mode if you can't log in. If you're unable to access Windows, don't worry. Press and hold the power button until the computer turns off completely. Turn the computer back on. As soon as you see the Windows logo appear, press and hold the power button again to force it off. Repeat this process 3 or 4 times. After several failed boot attempts, Windows should automatically launch the recovery screen. Method 3. Run Startup Repair. Once you're on the recovery screen, click Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options. Now click Startup Repair. Windows will automatically scan your system and attempt to fix startup problems. Wait for the process to finish. If Startup Repair fixes the problem, restart your PC and you're done. If the error still occurs, continue with the next method. Method 4. Repair Windows using Command Prompt. Return to the Advanced Options screen. Click on Command Prompt. Now enter the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each command. First type bootrec /fix mbr. Press Enter. Now type bootrec /fixboot. Press Enter. Next type bootsect /nt60 sys. Press Enter. Now type bootrec /fixboot. Press Enter. Next type bootrec /rebuild BSOD. Press Enter. Method 5. Run System File Checker. Now type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Windows will scan for corrupted or missing system files and repair them automatically. Wait for the scan to reach 100%. Method 6. Check the hard drive. Once the SFC scan is complete, type chkdsk /c/:. Press Enter. This scan will check your drive for file system errors and disk problems. Wait for the scan to complete. Final step. Once all scans have finished, close the Command Prompt window. Now select Continue. This will restart your computer and boot back into Windows.